Good morning, students. Today, our topic is Human Evolution, Part 2. In previous class, we saw about evolution of human or ancestor lifestyles, hunting, food gathering, invention of the wheel, and pot making. Now, today we are going to learn about ancient rock painting, farming, loving, domesticating, and water system. Children, look at the picture carefully. Can you identify anything in this picture? Okay. This is our ancestor drawing. This picture explains the hunting in ancient time. Man and human took part in this picture. Before the use of language, they express our feelings through action and rock painting. In India, approximately 750 caves, in which 500 caves have paintings. These are many more undiscovered caves. The rock painting depict hunting pictures of the make and the female dancing pictures and pictures of the children playing. Due to extent into hunting areas and in the forest, many animals vanished fruits and vegetables for the food. The seeds of fruits and the nuts they ate were thrown into the soil. During rains, the soil gave it life. The sapling and spotted from the soil. So, they learn some ideas about farming. Number 1. A plant grows from a single seed and yield lots of fruits and vegetables. Second one, seeds that fall in the river beds spot easily. Third one plants grow faster in water fed areas. Last one, alluvial soil is more suitable for plants growth than any other. With the knowledge they gain, they realize that with proper sowing and nurturing the would increase the number of plants more than the ones that grow naturally. Thus, agriculture and farming came into existence. They domesticated the animals and used them in their farming. During the prehistoric period, humans lived in caves and dissipate their daily events in drawings. Mostly pictures of animals were drawn. Oxen made the practice of agriculture easier. Oxen were used for loving that started farming with the clearly of land and burning leftover shops. Next, they stored the seed in plugged land and harvested the food. They realized that land closer to the river side was suitable for farming. Domestication of animals in ancestor time. They found out that the dogs could sniff other animals and chase them away. So humans found them useful for hunting. Thus, dogs became the first animals to be domesticated by humans. Following the dogs, they started domesticating hen, goat, and cow. Finally, this session about barter system. Permanent settlement increased the yield crop. Now they had grains in excess of what they consumed. The surplus grains were exchanged with other groups for the other things they were in need of. This is called the barter system. Dear children, I hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.